Okay, Mike, this is the setup that I have here. These are my chargers, plugs, and these are the plugs. Well, plugs. These plug into the wall, and these go to this thing here, connectors. There's two of them. So I guess these are the connectors you're talking about. This leads to the batteries. Batteries are in here. They're in here. Yeah, I guess that's what we're talking about here. Okay. So there's the pin. Pin's missing. And I have these. I opened these all the way. So we got a good air circulation. They're open. Air coming out, air coming out. I make sure these are tucked under so that they get a good air circulation. And I clip it together. Okay, so that's that.